Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the center pantry drawer slide assembly in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. You will first need to remove both doors. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the two top hinge covers. Then lift off the covers. To remove the left top hinge, you will need to lift up the clasp and detach the dispenser water supply line. Depress the catch to disconnect the wire connector and unthread the screw to release the grounding wire. Use a T25 Torx bit to unthread the front and rear mounting screws, securing the top hinges to the appliance. Leave the two side adjustment screws intact. Support each door as you remove the hinge. Open each door to a 90-degree position and have an assistant help you to lift the doors off of the hinge bushings. Next, unthread the three mounting screws to release the left and right center hinges from the frame. Remove all of the shelving from the refrigerator compartment. Lift out the glass covering the crisper drawers. Remove the glass frame, along with both crisper drawers. Lift out the storage tray. Open the pantry drawers and remove both bins. Push up on the levers at the bottom of both drawer glide brackets to release the right drawer front from the brackets. Then slide the glides back into the refrigerator. To remove the left drawer front, you will need to detach the temperature control wire connector cover. Then use a small flathead screwdriver to help disconnect the wire connector. You can now release the drawer front from the drawer glide brackets and fully remove it. Use a flathead screwdriver to depress the tabs to release the wire harness access cover on the left side slide assembly. Then disconnect the light switch wire harness. Next, release the tabs securing the crisper drawer support panel. Lift the front of the panel up and pull forward to remove. Use a thin putty knife to detach the vertical frame mullion. Then disconnect the wire connector. Detach the access cover on the right side slide assembly and disconnect the two light switch wire connectors. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, unthread the screws securing the horizontal frame mullion assembly. Release the tabs on both sides of the assembly and fully remove it. You can now lift out the old center pantry drawer slide assembly. Install the new drawer slide assembly by positioning it on the guide fastened to the liner. Keeping the wires secured, reinstall the horizontal frame mullion assembly. Rethread the screw. Reconnect the wire connectors and replace the access cover. Reconnect the vertical frame mullion wire connector. Make sure the tabs are straight, then snap the frame into place. Feed the crisper drawer support panel wire harness through the left side slide assembly as you reposition the support panel. Connect the wire harness and replace the cover. Next, reinstall the pantry drawer fronts by first pushing up on each lever at the bottom of the glide brackets to open. Insert the drawer front brackets into the glide brackets and release the levers to lock the drawer fronts in place. Reconnect the temperature control wire connector on the left drawer and replace the cover. Reposition the drawer pins, making sure the instruction decal faces forward. Replace the storage tray. Reposition the crisper drawers. Realign the glass frame and replace the glass. Replace all of the shelving. Before you reinstall the refrigerator doors, you should confirm the closing cam at the bottom of each door is properly set. With the hinge base parallel with the door, insert the hinge pin and bushing into the hole. Now rotate the hinge so the base is at a 90-degree angle to the door, and the cam should be reset. Realign the center hinges on the frame, then thread the mounting screws to secure. Make sure the hinge bushing and washer are intact. Then set each door on its respective hinge bushing at a 90-degree angle and confirm it closes properly. Reinstall the top hinges. You will need to feed the wires and water line through the hole in the left hinge as you position it on the door. Thread the mounting screws to secure. Slide the bushing over the wires and water line and insert it into the left hinge. Connect the wire connector and thread the screw to secure the grounding wire. Reattach the water supply line. Replace both hinge covers and secure them with the screws. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.